it. I got this pretty cool side-by-side pouch, which I can actually hook here also if I wanted to, but it sits nicely in the bottom. Let me just show you guys this really quick. This is a pretty convenient pouch that I recently got. You know, I reviewed Notorious EDC's pouch. This is the latest thing. Are you guys going insane with the pouches? I love the pouches. So I got this side by side. You can see it's got this mesh pocket system, and it's got this two zipper system in here. Let's see what I got in there. Oh, they give you one of these things. This comes with it. This actually comes with it. So I guess if you want to put like the hand sanitizer, you know what I'm putting in here? Gun oil. I'm going to put gun oil in here because I think I'm going to transport this to my gun bag. And this is what I'm going to keep my gun oil in. So in this mesh pocket, I have, of course, charging cord. That's always good to have. So this is something that you can access pretty quick. This is pretty good elastic to retain it. I got a pen. They actually give you a pen too. I didn't even open it yet. So this is a pen with like a rubber tip so you can use it for your phone. Very nice. A little accent with the loops. And again, it's got these zippers. So boom, you got a zipper. I got my emergency cash with my OpenSea leather wallet. Yeah, I'm just tagging everybody. Very nice. Goes in there. I don't know if I got anything else in here. Let's see. Of course, I got my YouTube mic. Because on the fly, in case I want to do something, I always carry my YouTube mic. So this is a pretty cool side-by-side pouch on the side. Note, they come in different colors, and it fits perfectly inside here on my sling.